Hi. We're playing Sons of the Forest. I know. I just started really randomly out of the middle of nowhere, but because I had to go do something and I had to stop in the middle and I didn't want to record it, so.
I got the axe.
Yeah. It was really good. It's a lot faster than the one in the last game, so like it's actually usable. But
I need to go to sleep bad.
same.
Do you just want to go to sleep or? Alright.
Yeah. Wait 1 sec.
So I'm gonna save.
Hey, you save. I want to save too.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Alright. What the fuck is that?
Why is it so suspenseful?
Wait, it didn't work.
Oh yeah, what?
I'm still tired. Wait.
What the hell? Now it
Okay.
worked.
I need to grab my flashlight. Oh wait.
It's a monkey.
Right.
Where the hell did my flashlight go? I know I have it. Okay, so go.
Wait, Ivan, can you wait? I need a.
Damn, you have full armor.
Wait, yeah, I need. Do I have a flashlight?
You probably don't.
Yeah, I don't think so. I do.
I can go get it with you. I mean, I have one, but.
It's fine. Where should we go next?
Oh, fuck. This is a map bias. I don't know. I could just take you to get the flashlight.
I hear Nathan's mic.
I don't. There's a monkey behind you.
Oh.
I think. I don't even know where it is.
If you don't attack them, they don't really attack you.
Yeah, I know. No, and I was just chasing you
Yeah.
before too.
When I was coming to you, bro, there was this huge tribe in camp, and I just dodged it without hurting anyone.
Yeah, you can just run.
Yeah.
That's basically how I got through the whole cave.
Alright, I'm turning off this boombox.
That's annoying.
Now it's just the sounds of
hello.
nature.
Lit. Oh shit. Nope.
If you double click right click, it hacks.
What?
And it's running like.
Oh, that's cool. It like parries it.
Yeah. I almost hit, I don't want to hit you. Oh, it's turning morning.
I break the speaker. Where is it?
How do you
Oh, this is
unequip
a
the light flashlight?
L.
L.
I hear Nathan. I hear him talking to his dad.
Yeah. Oh, hey, Kelvin. You know, Kelvin, I want to give you some clothes. You need you need some new clothes.
Oh damn, it's a body bag. I'm in a bad mood. Okay, let's Let's go somewhere.
Alright.
I just left that cave, so I'm not going back in. There's two caves. There's the entrance, and then there's the exit. The entrance is like all the way far down there, and the exit is close. But
Okay.
what we really need to go to is we need to go to the 3D printer cave.
Oh yeah.
Cause I wanna, cause then I can make a bow, and we could get a.
That mask.
And then we can print the arrows. I just have no idea where it is though. Like I have no idea. I know.
Yeah.
I know that it's by like the point, like the first spawn point. Like, remember the first time we played?
Yeah. Should we go across the mountains again?
I don't know.
No, not right now. But like, I mean, you know.
Maybe. There was really nothing across it though.
Remember there's a story thing there?
There was one cave with that we needed a key card to get to.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I think we need to get the key card.
I have no idea what that is though.
Yeah. We'll probably find it like in a cave.
Yeah. Oh! No, never mind. We really need to find a shovel, but I heard that's really hard to find. Like, cause like the shovel, there's so much stuff that we need the shovel for. Like, oh damn, the spiders. Kill it. Apparently. Like this thing, we need the shovel for. Bro, I wish we could drive the golf carts. It'd be so much better.
Yeah.
Is this by the flashlight? It might be. I don't remember because I already took the marker off the map. Where are you? Oh, you're right there. I already took the marker off the map because I got the flashlight, so I don't know where it is now.
I think yeah, I remember it being around here.
You want to go to the beach cave and get the taser?
I already have it, I think. Oh yeah, I yeah, you're right.
Yeah, so it's just like all the way down there. I know where the beach cave is though, just follow me.
Isn't it right next to a camp?
No, we don't have a camp.
Yeah.
Oh, no, we did build one.
Yeah.
No, we didn't. No, because this is a brand new game. We didn't start one yet.
Oh my god, the axe is really good. I just double hit
I know.
some.
Gear, but I'm gonna need it. Yeah, the beach cave will have the taser. You can just grab that real quick. That'll be nice. And then I don't know where anything else is. Like I know the taser's here. And then I have the axe and the rope gun. But I'm pretty sure there was a cave. I remember where.
Oh my god, I found a moose.
What?
I found a moose.
A moose?
Yeah.
That's weird.
Damn, it's fast.
Oh, I've seen the moose before. I killed it. Remember we killed one? It was just like 100 meat. Like,
Yeah.
there's so much.
Oh shit, is it trying to attack me?
It probably is. What are these? Is that
I
deer?
hear it, but like,
Oh god. This is. Oh golly. These are like church dudes. I got a cult pamphlet. Can I read it? They invite you to free events so we can help you, Sons of the Stars. Healing yourself for a better world. Can I flip it? Okay, it's kind of cool. I don't need this anymore. Okay, why? Thank you.
wait, can we get a snowy outfit for the mountain?
I don't think so. I don't know if there's one like that. Oh, I found some cult dudes. I took their cult book.
Yep, same. You will find meaning in life again.
I have a cross. Look.
Yeah, I have one too. Wait, can I put the plant foot away? Yeah.
May the pat the crash compel you.
May the crash compel you. What
I
is
love
up,
the
you get?
animation for the cross. Like
Yeah.
as he like throws it out and like he shakes his hand. It's like, "Hey, the pat compel you." Wait, can you do it? No, you can't do it. You can't like modify the axe like the last game. Like where you can put feathers on it.
I
And
don't know. I kind of like the first game.
I do like the first game. This game looks a lot better and plays a lot better. Just like the last game was so like goofy.
Yeah. I miss the big hole so
I know
much.
the butthole.
Yeah. Do you see a cabin?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I see it. I see it. It's not even done.
Yeah, it's not done, but I don't know how I slept in there.
And where our cabin is literally so far from everything.
Yeah. A small thing to do is to like make camps, like little camps everywhere.
Yeah. And it's the sad thing is it doesn't mark it for us. Like the last game had it would mark where the camp was and you can see the house.
Yeah.
That's annoying because like you have to actually look for your house now and get closer to it. And you have to put it by something so you know what you're doing.
I was just by the helicopter in the cave.
Oh yeah.
Do we need the taser?
It's fun. It's pretty good. Let's just go get it. Why not?
Alright.
What else are we gonna do? We don't know where anything
Yeah.
else is, so might as well just get this. We don't even have to get we don't even have to fight anything. Actually, I might because I need the creepy armor. But
Yeah, you can fight them.
all right, can you help me? Because you have full.
Yeah.
creepy
No.
armor.
Yeah. I know.
Okay. And oh, the rebreather's in here too, so we should probably get that.
The what?
The rebreather.
What the hell's a rebreather?
Tank. The air tank.
Oh.
Christ.
New
So, yeah.
location discovered.
I got that too. Wait, what the hell? Did that just like put something on our map?
I think we can't look at it now, but
Because it's like dead. I swear, bro, if I hear bats, I'm gonna freak. Okay.
bro, I heard one laugh. I heard one like.
I'm in their little cabin.
I'm scared, man.
I fought these guys before. We can literally just run by them, but I'm gonna choose not to right now because I really want to remember. And because we have a lot of I literally put them in units. So, do me a favor. Don't get any of them. I really want them.
Alright, yeah, that's
Oh
fine.
shit, the fingers.
Oh shit, I don't have any pistol ammo.
I'm not like, oh, I actually might have some of that. You gotta cover me. I gotta get it out.
Wait,
I can kill it with the rope gun.
You know what? Never mind.
This will probably kill it. Ow. Oh, I killed it! Okay. Oh, I didn't. Oh, God, no.
Here, I'll help.
Hey, get your rope gun out.
Oh wait, I have a Molotov.
Oh, how about this? What's your time? There we go.
Oh, and it's done. Wait, can we skin it together?
Yeah. Let it go.
Wait. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh yeah, let's skin all of them together so you also have it.
No, I just need. You know what? Yeah, that's fine.
Where'd they
Yeah.
go? Where'd they go? Right over here. Okay, this one.
Sorry, hold up. I just need to equip my axe. Wait, 3.
No, no, no. Okay.
Wait,
This
don't.
one right here.
Wait, 3, 2, 1, go. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright. I'm waiting to put all this. Oh, there's another one.
And then this one? Yeah.
Wait.
Wait, 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, I'm waiting to put all the armor on because
I'm just having
last
some
time I
extra
used
ones.
it in the cave, there was in here. Alright, I'm just gonna go in here. Anything that's in here, I'm really not gonna waste my time fighting. I might get like 1 or 2 more, but
We need to get the shotgun.
I know that's like really hard to get though. That's like
You know, we should see it before we went in here.
that would be fine.
Yeah, I guess so.
There's like you respawn in this game.
Yeah, he died with oh wait.
That's
I'm gonna equip a Molotov.
Okay, you can do that.
Where is it?
So,
Oh, I thought it was a big monster.
there's a fingers.
What the fuck? Oh, it's blinded by light.
Bro, 3 hits, this thing's done.
Oh, there it is. Oh shit. Alright. Wait, don't go near it.
Okay, I probably shouldn't have done that. Throw a Molotov at it and res me.
It didn't work.
You didn't light it, you idiot.
Oh. I'm so dumb.
And me.
Wait. Alright, you're alive.
Jesus Christ, I just summoned. Oh! Man. Alright, let's get all of
Alright.
these.
Wait. Before you do anything.
Actually, let me put meds, 'cause I'm pretty sure that's like the last of the monsters down here.
Yeah, alright.
This one. 3,
3, 2, 1, go. Did you get it?
Yeah,
Alright. Now I officially have full creepy armor.
there's one up here.
Oh, there is?
Yeah.
Alright, wait.
There's 2 up here, actually.
3, 2, 1, go.
I don't know. I'm scared. I'm scared that you got the same one that I did. I'm scared that you didn't get the same one that I did. Too. I want one too. Alright, did we both get a different one? Here, let me take them.
I don't know, it's fine. It doesn't really matter.
Oh, there was only 1. Oh, there was 2.
Yeah, I don't. Oh, where
No,
do
there
you
was
see
1.
2?
There was 1.
Yeah.
Oh,
I was gonna.
I thought it was 2. Alright, there's 1 here.
Alright, 3. Wait. I can't get the right angle. Oh, 3, 2, 1, go. You know, I should have used grenades instead of Molotovs.
Yeah, there's a grenade here. Alright, I think that's it.
Right.
Wait, there's something down here. This is froze. I thought I sucked. This literally didn't even do damage. Like, I wish I could
They
throw it or
don't?
something. No.
Oh, then why am I picking up flares?
I don't know.
Oh, this music.
Guess they're kind of nice to have sometimes. There's babies. I'm not ignoring them.
Yeah, it's not like you can skin them.
Yeah, there's no point of sitting there and hacking at little babies the entire time.
I mean, there's a lot of them. God damn. Whoa.
I got
What gun?
the taser gun.
Oh.
Or the stun gun.
Where is it?
It's it should be hanging right up here.
Oh. Yeah, I see it.
Bro, you have face mask armor too.
I do?
Yeah.
You need to send me a screenshot.
How do I take one? F12?
Yeah. Wait.
Stand up.
I just need to equip my... Alright.
I took one. Yeah, like
Alright.
full face armor.
Can you share it to me?
Screenshot? I don't even know. Let me just stream on Discord.
Oh, yeah.
And I'll show
Yeah,
it
let's
to
go
you.
back. Let's go over here. It's safer.
So right, just go right here.
Alright.
Nathan's still in the Discord. He's just not. Anyway.
Alright.
Okay.
I-
Start sharing it. Where are you?
Oh my god, I look so weird.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I look.
Oh my god, there's babies!
Ah, whoa, whoa,
One
whoa,
of them
whoa.
got all the way over here. Okay, let me.
Yeah, I heard it from the stream.
Yeah, let me stop streaming.
Wait, I'm going the wrong way. Wait, where am I going?
We're going the right way. Just gotta make our way back. Alright, just run back. Ignore the babies. Nope, we went the wrong way. This way is the right way. Batteries removed from. Oh, the what's it called? The flashlight automatically removes batteries for you. Hello? Hello?
Yeah. Oh.
Why'd you stop?
Nothing. Oh, wait. Where? My mom just gave me my drink and threw the straw, and then I don't know what. My mom. Oh, here it is. All right.
Hello? Behind you. Other way. Other way.
Oh, sorry. No, my mom gave me my
That
food.
music was fire.
Alright, let's get out of here.
That's good. Well, let's grab the rebreather too, just because we're here. And there's no
The
monsters.
rebreather? What's the rebreather?
The fucking mask, Dylan.
Oh. What mask are you talking about?
The fucking... The mask. Underwater mask.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, be careful going in that water. Oh my god.
And there's a shark. We don't need to go underwater though, it's just right there.
Yeah. Oh, it's so loud. I don't remember being any.
And technically, if we really wanted to, we can swim through the cave.
Nah.
So back out into the ocean, but there's...
No, I don't want to do that. And plus, we're wasting it.
Yeah, just grab the reread and go. I'm pretty sure
Okay.
it is over there. Right here. I don't want to put it on. Don't put it on.
Alright.
Cloth, blues, some Molotovs. There's literally nothing else to do with these but make Molotovs. It's kind of sad.
Yeah. You can drink them. In the last game, you could have drink them and make Molotovs.
Yeah.
Now they kind of like just, oh, now it's Molotovs.
I mean, yeah, Molotovs are really overpowered, but like...
You still want to drink them. Like, as so many.
Yeah.
Alright.
Anything else on this side? Yeah, there's sodas. Always grab sodas, because, like, water's so annoying to get sometimes. So,
We have a little pond near us, so that's good.
yeah, and we also have the whole ass ocean near us.
Yeah, you can't drink from the ocean, I think.
The game, not the live, obviously, but in the game you can.
Yeah. Oh, really?
I think so. I'll
I didn't try it. Yeah. Oh, what is this? After we get out the cave and make it to camp, I'm gonna have to go eat.
Okay. Which way? Wait. Use this way.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've already been recording for like 25 minutes. But no, it's this way. Let me grab the bones, because the bones can give us a little bit of armor. Like if I don't have full armor, which I should, I don't know if I do though.
I think it's gonna be nighttime when we get out.
It might be.
My eardrums. Oh my
I
god.
hate the bats, bro.
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
I think. No, it's not. Oh my god, my eyes. It's daytime.
Bro, my ears from the stupid oh my god, it is daytime. It's like the middle of the afternoon.
Crazy. How did you spawn after camp? There's no bed here.
I don't know. I really don't know.
That's weird. I guess you just like maybe by default you spawn with the crash.
Is there a bed? No, there's no bed. Alright, let's just finish the camp.
I'm gonna grab everything that's in the boxes because still didn't get them. It's crazy. And then
Oh my god, it's so much easier to chop down trees.
I know with this one.
You can watch out. Alright, help me out. There's only like 25.
Oh, a skin patch. Patches suck though. I'm gonna get a. I'm gonna make just a little. Actually, no, because if we're about to finish, then we shouldn't make a tent. I'm not gonna do that if we're about to finish. I'm trying to finish it up and make it better.
Isn't it?
Oh, it's Kelvin! Kelvin! Remember when we tortured Kelvin?
Oh my god!
We actually killed him by accident, and we
and then we had
because we killed him.
That was so funny. Kelvin! Oh my god! Kelvin like almost died again. All right, Kelvin.
Like anytime we told him to get logs and it took a break, I'd tase him. We both have a lot of sticks, so we should be able to just make it dead.
Yeah, I have a lot. I think.
Is that it? Is that what we need? No, just the door now, and the other side.
Kelvin built a shelter anyway.
You can tell him to finish it.
Yeah, I thought shelter like meant like you know. Never mind. I told him to build a shelter.
Oh, he built one of these.
Yeah. All right. Build.
No, if you wanted to build a new, then do.
Yeah. I mean, hell, if like whatever the log broke, we have this camp, this little tent. Here, Kelvin, I'll help you out. Yeah, you take that, Kelvin.
Okay, I finished the roof. Now we just have the door.
Alright.
Kelvin, I'm gonna take that from you. It's all over there. I think just let Kelvin do it.
Alright.
Oh, yeah, I finished.
Oh.
There's literally a log.
Oh my god, Kelvin just started sprinting.
Let me put down the bed. I forgot.
Alright.
There was a B to craft.
Who made the house? Why is the door like pointing this way?
I'm pretty sure Nathan did that. That
Yeah.
makes a lot of sense.
Oh my god.
Like, why would you put the door facing the other way? So it's even harder. Okay, I made a bed. Alright, I'm saving.
Alright, I saved. Alright.
Let's replace that existing. And we don't need to sleep.
Are you still gonna play?
Am I still gonna play this game?
Yeah.
Probably not.
Alright, so then I'm just gonna leave.
Okay.
Let me just save again to make sure. Alright.
Yeah, I'm just put the creepy armor on, so I'm gonna save one more time. And I'm just gonna end the video here.
Alright.
Alright, well, that was fun. Quick little fight through. Just got a little bit of stuff with Dylan. Not bad. But, yeah. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.